Okay, so I'm seeing some messages like happy to join your session one more time. Yeah, like that is really great from you, Mohan. Okay, so remaining people online, can you confirm me whether you are able to hear me or not? Can you confirm me in chat box once? All of you. So if it is clear, we can start the intro part and everything. Okay, Karmulla, yes, Raja, yes, great. So I'm getting a good response from all of you. Great to hear. Yeah, good evening, Karmulla. Guys, just wait for 5 more minutes. But because like remaining people are yet to join, once these people has joined, so we are ready to go for the concept today. And trust me, this concept is gonna be very, very, very amazing. So just like in last class, how exactly we have seen. So today we are having a lot of other more topics to discuss. Okay. So in the meanwhile, I'll provide the list of the topics what exactly we are going to discuss in today's session. So these are the list of the topics. Shenmukh, Terraform on last class. After Terraformer, we have gone for Prometheus, Grafana of the Shenmukh. And good evening, Anirudh and Chandrasekhar. Good evening, both of you. This is the first session or continue to other session? No, it's a workshop, Shubham, actually. So for this workshop, you should not need to learn anything. Okay, so there is no continuity for my previous workshop and this one. Okay, both are going to be separate and different aspects. So in the meanwhile, I would like to know like how many of you are fresher here, guys. The people who are fresher, you can ping me. I'm a fresher, and who are experienced people, you can ping. I'm experienced. Why? Because I want to know like what kind of audience we are having for workshop today. Okay, fresher. Okay, Ifan Patel, fresher. Chandrasekhar, experience. Lokesh is a fresher. Okay. Still remaining people, guys. And Mohan, experience. Okay, Ankit, experience but non-IT. Okay, fine. Thomas, fresher for DevOps, but 11 years of experience in IT. Oh, great. Harshita, experienced. Okay. And Kishore is a fresher. Anirudh, experience. Okay. Parag, fresher. Okay. So I'm seeing I'm seeing a lot of fresher here. That's great. Sonali is a fresher. Okay. So Karmila Saroda says Java mentor for 3 months, sir, and now doing Python intern. Great, Karmila. And Nazia fresher, okay. Can we get recording of the session? If yes, by when? So Ankita, by tomorrow morning, you are going to get the recording of this workshop. Okay. So nothing to worry. We are going to provide one Telegram link for you and WhatsApp community link for you. If you join there, in that community, we are going to provide the workshop recording for you. Okay. Yeah. Hello, Prashant. Sure, Shenmukh, you can connect, okay? From laptop also, it's fine. Any prerequisite for session required? So Ankita, nothing required, Ankit. Okay. So nothing to worry. Like we can start session, I think so. Okay. So guys, welcome to our workshop. So in today's workshop, like we are going to learn the following stuff. Okay. So I'm gonna teach you like how to install any DevOps tool within less than few seconds. Generally, what lot of people will think is whenever if you are doing a project in DevOps, first of all, you need to set up the infrastructure. Okay. So after setting the infrastructure, the next thing you need to do is go and install the softwares. For example, to deploy the application, we need to install Tomcat, and to monitor the application, we need to install Prometheus Grafana, and to see the front-end part of the application, we need to install Nginx, to store the artifact Nexus, and to do the continuous integration Jenkins, and finally to prepare the infrastructure Terraformer. So these are the stack of tools that we required to create the end-to-end project in the real-time point of view. Okay, of course, there are a lot of other tools also, but in today's session, we are going to cover the primary things in the real-time point of view. Okay, so now here, what exactly we are going to do is, in today's workshop, first of all, I'll tell you what are the prerequisite. అంటే ఈ వర్క్షాప్ కి అటెండ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే మీకేం కావాలి. So simply if you ask me, sir, to attend for this workshop, all you need to have is a good laptop with some good Wi-Fi connection. So if you have both of them with you, then that's enough for you, sir. No need to have any AWS knowledge prior to it. I'm going to teach you everything in the workshop from the scratch. And the other prerequisite you need to have for this class is going to be, please put off your mobile aside. Why? Because while I'm explaining the workshop, if you want to learn the good quality of content from me, first of all, please take your mobiles and put this aside. Okay. So for the next 1 hour, what exactly we are going to learn is, I just now shared you how to install Tomcat, Prometheus, Grafana, and how to deploy an Amazon application, Nexus, Jenkins, and Terraformer. So these are the stack of tools. What exactly we are going to discuss on today's session. So let's begin the session now. So I want to tell you one thing. A lot of people are asking, sir, what is the title of today's session? It's going to be Rappa Rappa. I'll tell you what is the meaning of this word Rappa Rappa. Okay, it's not the word of the movie actually. At the end of the workshop, definitely you are going to know why we are putting this title for the workshop. Okay, now let's begin the demo. For example, whenever you join in any company as a fresher, so what is the first thing you are going to do? Can anybody tell me what is your expectation when you join as a fresher in any company in that field of DevOps? Tell me what's your expectation. I mean, like what companies is going to ask you? You can ping me on chat box online, everybody. All of you, so make this session very great by giving your response. So Abhishek, you want good quality of salary, yeah? Okay, fine. How much package you want? No, I'm not talking about package and everything. I'm asking about, see, for example, if you go as a fresher for any company, what is the management expecting from you? I'm not asking what you are expecting. What management will expect. That's what I'm asking. Quick learning, okay. Grasp the mainstream work, okay. Still, online anything you can ping in chat box. Good salary, okay. Okay, so let me tell you. Basically, whenever if you join any company as a fresher, so the thing is, companies won't ask you to hack and crack the main company firewall. What you think is as a DevOps engineer, if I get a job, you are going to think like that. Companies are going to ask you to crack and hack the main company firewall. In return, what you are going to tell me? Which one you want me to hack, sir? You want me to hack NASA or SpaceX? Okay, don't put these kind of false attention on your brain. See, whenever if you get any job in any company as a fresher, companies are not at all going to give you a very big task. Why? Because you are a fresher, first of all. Listen my words very carefully. If you are a fresher, companies are not going to give very, very big tasks, like to hack the systems and to crack the firewall. They won't ask you anything. Okay. The first thing when you join in a company as a fresher, they are going to send you one email. The email is, hey Raham, we send you an email to you regarding that KT, please check your Confluence pages. So this is the first mail that you are going to get from a HR. Of course, every company won't have beautiful HR like that, but it's okay. So definitely as a fresher, if you go to company, this is the first mail you are going to get into your inbox. Okay, fine. The next thing is what exactly the meaning of Confluence. Sir, as a fresher, Instagram influencers and pages, but what is a Confluence page? A lot of people are going to have this kind of like fear. Sir, we know pages of Instagram and influencers, but what the hell is Confluence page? Let me tell you. Confluence pages are nothing but, I'll tell you in a very easy way. So no. So Confluence page is nothing but it is the official documentation of your daily work. Whatever the works you are doing in the company. For example, if you go to company, you are going to do the deployments in the company. You are going to do the troubleshoot when the deployment got failed, and you are going to do the software installation in the company. And there are hell lot of works what exactly you are going to do in the company. Okay, so all of these works, like how to do deployment in your project, how to troubleshoot, how to install softwares, and even how to create the infrastructure by using Terraform, all these tools are going to be, all these things are going to be documented in the Confluence page. So in real time, whatever the works you gonna do, okay, whatever the troubleshooting you're gonna do, everything you are going to refer from Confluence only. See, for example, generally, if you want to know about any topic, you are going to go for Wikipedia, correct or not, sir? How exactly Wikipedia is giving the clarity about the concepts for you in your real-time company? This Confluence page is going to give the clarity for you, what work you're gonna do and how you're gonna do. So as a part of your real-time work as a fresher, the only first thing you want to do is install the softwares. What we're going to do, sir? Install the softwares. Guys, remember, already infrastructure there will be created. Or if they haven't created, from the Terraform we are going to create. After you create the infrastructure, freshers are going to first of all going to work on install software. Not only fresher, everybody will do the same work only after creating the infra. But my question is, whenever, if you want to install any software, as per our previous note here, we are going to refer the Confluence pages. So whenever, if you are referring the Confluence pages, ultimately this Confluence page is going to ask you to download from official documentation. That means, Are Babu, your company is asking you to go and install some tools called Prometheus, Grafana, and Tomcat. So what you're going to do is you need to download them from the official documentation. So whenever, if you go to official documentation, there are hell lot of links. For example, let's say if I want to download Tomcat, so I need to go to this link actually, DLCD and Apache org, go for Tomcat. In the Tomcat, you are having multiple versions. If I select this version, here I'm having multiple links. Now my question is, out of them, which link I need to select? So there will be lot of confusion for you in selecting the links. Okay, after you are seeing multiple links, you came to know that I need to install a specific link. But here for installing, you can see this tar.z you can install, .exe you can install, .zip you can install, and finally .zip ASC also you can install. But my question is, how exactly you need to know which kind of version you need to install? Sir, can anybody tell me which version we need to select here? All of you online, you can respond in chat box. Can anybody let me know which version you are going to select there? Santosh latest version, okay. And I'm seeing 10.1.3 is from Mohan. Okay. Latest version again from Prashant. So guys, let me tell you, if you download the latest version, ultimately, sometimes the application is going to fail. Definitely. See, a lot of people, what they do is they are going to download the latest version. Once if they download the latest version, ultimately, first of all, it will start installing. So initially it might work, but after that it is going to be failed. So definitely while working with the new softwares installation, there are multiple links. If you don't download the proper link, ultimately it is going to cause a lot of mess in the real-time point of view. Okay, initially it might download for you. After that it is going to be working for you. And after that it's going to fail immediately. So you are going to do the continuous same process. So if you try to download each and every link one by one, ultimately your time is going to be end up, sir. At the end of the day, definitely your boss is going to yell at you. Why? Because they are giving one single day, you are consuming the single day, but at the end of the day, you are not able to download the one single software also. Now at the end of the day, what you're going to think is, after going to the bed, you are going to think, why my Tomcat got failed. So this is the doubt that everybody is going to have, sir. But the reason why you got downloading fail means you are not selecting the appropriate version and you don't know how to install it quickly. So in this case, definitely you are going to pray for the God, please help me. I am not able to download the Tomcat easily. So ultimately, after doing all this stuff, now you are going to use AI. So what you're going to do is, manually I'm not able to download, but with the help of AI, I think I can able to download. So now what will happen whenever if you are going for AI, so AI is going to ask you, sir, what you want me to install? So what you're going to tell, for example, install Tomcat. If you go to AI like ChatGPT and if you ask how much of time it will take to install Tomcat, see what the AI is going to give answer for you. For example, if I go for ChatGPT and I'm asking ChatGPT to how much of time it required to install and configure Tomcat. See now, the moment if you type the prompt in the chat GPT, if you can go and see what is the average time it is telling, sir, 15 to 30 minutes. Can anybody tell me like how much of time it is telling average? All of you, can you respond in chat box for me online? So if you go and say 15 to 30 minutes, sir, doing it for 15 to 30 minutes is going to be very tedious task for me. For that purpose, simply what I do, know, I'm going to write one script. Okay, I'm going to write my script. If I use my script now, I can download Tomcat very quickly, sir. So can anybody tell me like how much of time it will take to download Tomcat, sir? So my previous student already know about the answer, but I want to know the newbies. So the people who is new for my workshop, I want response from you. So how much of time you can take to install Tomcat? So we need 2 minutes with the script. It is a very more time. Online, all of you respond. If you respond me, I'll get the good clarity about like how you can understand the things actually. In the meanwhile, I'll open my AWS console. So tell me how much of time it will take for you. So Irfan, it's 1 minute for you. Okay. Abhishek, 15 minutes. Okay. Then still online. Say I'm creating a Tomcat server in front of you. So Lakshmi, it's going to be 10 minutes. Ankit, don't know. That's fine. I'm creating server in front of you, sir. It's a Tomcat server. See, I'm creating the server. I think all of you know everyone how to create the server, but if you don't know, nothing to worry. In tomorrow's session, Monday, I'm going to explain how to create the server in my demo class. Demo class is completely free for all of you, so you can attend the demo classes. Depending upon the network, 50 to 30 seconds. Okay, then still. Okay, so guys, you are taking more than expectation. So to install Tomcat, literally that much of time is not required. I will show you some magic. With this magic, you can install Tomcat within only 1 second. How many seconds, sir? Tell me all of you. How many seconds we are going to take for Tomcat installation? 1 second. So tell me one thing, is really installing Tomcat within 1 second is practically possible? Can anybody tell me in chat box? Is installing Tomcat within 1 second practically possible for all of you? No, no. Okay, I'm getting no from all of you. Okay, so out. So it's no again. Okay, still. Okay, let me go to the chat box. So a lot of people are telling, sir, you can't install Tomcat within 1 second. Okay, but guys, trust me with my script. Whatever the script I'm going to show you, with this script, I'm going to install Tomcat within only 1 second. Okay, let's see how it is going to work. Let me open my script here in the meanwhile. Give me a second, guys. I'm opening my script here. Yeah. So I think all of you online now, you are able to see my screen, I think so. Can you confirm you are able to see my screen? Everybody. Okay. So here I am already having the Tomcat script here. So simply what you can do is you can go here. You can go here. Where is Tomcat? PQRST. Yeah. Here. If you copy this one and if you paste it, ultimately what Tomcat is going to download within only 1 second. Let's see how it is going to work for you. I'm going for vim tomcat.sh. See, only thing I want to change is currently Tomcat version is 98 in the script, but the latest version of Tomcat is 99. So from 98 it got removed actually. If you can go and see, I'm having the version of 99. So let me go and replace this 98 with 99. I want to replace 98 version with 99 itself. That's it. So now tell me how much of time we are going to take it, sir? All of you? How much of time you're going to take for Tomcat installation? All of you tell me one more time. No, not 30 seconds, guys. See, I'm giving the clear clarity for ChatGPT and our class. So ChatGPT is telling for Tomcat, I'm giving the tools, list of the tools I'm giving. See, say this is a list of tools. So it is a ChatGPT timing and it is a my scripts timing. My scripts. Like Raham scripts. So what is the tool number one we're going to discuss? Tomcat. Sir, for Tomcat, I shown you ChatGPT is taking 15 to 30 minutes, sir. 15 to 30 minutes. But my script will take only 1 second. So let's go and see the magic. See, I already have the script with me. So if we can go and see here, if I run the script, sh tomcat.sh, within 1 second, Tomcat is ready. Are you seeing Tomcat got started now? All of you, online, can you confirm me? Is Tomcat started or not, sir? Yes, you can see the Tomcat here, and I am going to show you the output in the browser. So simply open your AWS console, copy your public IP address. If you don't know the Tomcat port number, simply go and give 8080. That is the port number of Tomcat. Now the moment, if you can go and see, my Tomcat is ready, and even I am going to log into my Tomcat. So username is Tomcat and password I am able to give is Raham123. Tomcat password is Raham123. That's it, sir. Now guys, all of you online, I'm giving the same link for all of you in the chat box. So please verify whether you are able to get the Tomcat or not. Even you can able to log in. Username is Tomcat, password is Raham. All of you confirm me? I'm giving username and password also. Username is Tomcat. Password Raham123. All are small letter. All of you, can you please confirm me? Everybody were able to see the page or not, sir? Yes, it's coming for both Mohan and Sriram. What about remaining people? So Thomas, it's yes. Shankar, it is yes. Great. Baibo, Ankit, everyone. Okay, that's really great for all of you. So it's working for you. Now tell me one thing, sir. Whenever if you compare ChatGPT with my scripts, which one is working really efficiently? My scripts or ChatGPT? Tell me all of you, which one is better, sir, here? My scripts or ChatGPT? So definitely Raham scripts. So here I'm going to give the scoring also. Score. What is the ChatGPT score, sir, here? ChatGPT score is 0. And what is our score? 1. So this is just only tool number 1 itself. So if tool number 1 is 2, clear for all of you. Can we go for other tool now? All of you online? Okay, so all of you, just give me the response online. Your response is going to make me boost a lot. Okay, so make this concept very interesting and workshop also. Yeah. Sir, tool number 1 Tomcat is done. Now what is tool number 2 here? All of you tell me what is tool number 2? Shubham, what is the different OS? I'll tell you about the OS, okay? If you take any OS, comments are going to be said. Okay, so coming to the tool number 2, Prometheus. Again, I'll go to the chat GPT and I'm going to give the same prompt in the chat itself. Go and check out here. How much of time it required to install and configure Prometheus? Prometheus. Check out now, sir. Abhishek, definitely, I'll explain the script. Abhishek, don't worry about the script. Just listen to the concept now, okay? Sir, for Prometheus, our chat GPT, our AI is taking 15 to 40 minutes. 15 to 40 minutes. Tool number 2 is what? Prometheus. So chat GPT is taking literally 15 to 40 minutes. But for our script, you know what is the time we are going to take for our script? It is literally only 5 seconds. How many seconds? 5 seconds. Sir, can you tell me, is really 5 seconds required to install a Prometheus in the server? All of you tell me, is it possible or not? Again, some people are having some doubts, so it is not possible. Okay, let me show you the output. So the people who is telling it is not possible, so I'm gonna show you the output here in front of you right now. So I'll go to BIM Prometheus.sh. It is a script actually. And where to take the script? I already written every script in my GitHub. Remember, these scripts I developed with my own knowledge. Whatever the scripts I use it for my company, same scripts I'm using in the classes as well as in the workshop also. Go for Prometheus here. Simply copy the script here. Simply copy the script here. Simply paste the script here, sir, and run the Prometheus. Boom. That's it. So now Prometheus is ready. You can see it is running. And how I can show the output? Simply, I will copy the public IP address and I'll go here and the Prometheus port number by chance. If you don't know port number, remember in this class, I'm also going to give the port numbers also. First of all, we discussed about Tomcat. Tomcat port number is 8080. It is the path of Tomcat. Second one, we are discussing about Prometheus. What is Prometheus port number, sir? Tell me all of you. 9090, correct. So what I'll do, I'll go here 9090 and hit enter. So automatically you are going to take Prometheus. Sir, are you seeing Prometheus dashboard or not, sir? Simply if I type CPU or if I type memory, okay, if I give memory active bytes, ultimately I can able to check out how much of memory is using by my system. So if you can go and see, just type free here. If I type free, I can able to see the free memory. Memory stored by bytes. So select any one query. So I'll go for graph here and I'm going to select the information of CPU itself. So if I go here and click on execute, am I able to see CPU data or not, sir? So this is how simple it is. Working in real time is going to be very, very easy, guys, when you are having automation script. Now tell me here, we have seen Prometheus and Tomcat. Sir, Prometheus is taking 15 to 40 minutes for ChatGPT, but for our class, how much of time we have taken? How much of time we have taken? Only 5 seconds. That means if you go to score, what is the score now? ChatGPT score is still 0. And our score is 2 itself. So tell me, now out of these tools, what we have discussed today, okay, so which one is very effective, ChatGPT or our script, sir? Can all of you tell me? Which one is working very efficiently here? Our scripts only, correct. So now, let's go for other one also. So I'll go and check out the other script here. This time I'm going for one more tool called Grafana. This time I'll go for Grafana. So how much of time it required to install and configure Grafana? Can we use a tool in multiple containers across multiple subnetting graph? Definitely, Ankit, even though we can use, okay? So if you can go and see, for Grafana, it is taking 10 to 30 minutes, sir. So I'll highlight this one. The tool number 3 is going to be Grafana. I'll go for tool number 3. It is Grafana. So the minimum time is for Grafana by ChatGPT is 10 minutes to 30 minutes. But for our scripts, it will take only 20 seconds. Sir. Let me go and show you. If I go to the Grafana script here now, Grafana. So you can see the Grafana script here. Simply what I'll do, I'll copy the Grafana script here. Paste it on the browser, vim grafana.sh. So now if you can go and see, within 20 seconds, Grafana is going to install. Check it out. The 20 seconds we said, right? Now see. Scripts I'll show at the end of the class, and I'm going to give the scripts for you, so there is nothing to worry, guys. If you can go and see, Grafana is active. And if you go to the notes here, what is the port number of Grafana, sir? Can anybody tell me? Port number of Grafana is 3000. So copy the public IP address of your application, server, give the port number 3000. That's it. In front of you, now Grafana is running. Sir, even though if Grafana is running, I can able to create the dashboard for you within 1 minute. So see now. So dashboard creation is not a part of our class now, but I just want to show how to create dashboard for you. It is very easy. We can create any dashboard in Grafana within seconds. Okay, I'll click on data source. I'll select Prometheus. Why? Because from the Prometheus only we are going to get data for Grafana. So I'll copy the public IP address. Click on save and test. If I go here and if I click on import dashboard, there is an ID called 1816. So I click on load. Now that's it, sir. So ultimately your dashboard is going to import. See now, you are having the dashboard in front of you right now. So this is how exactly we are going to create the dashboards in the real-time point of view. Of course, we are not having any data. Sir, why we are not having any data means we need to install one more component called node exporter. Why? Because if you don't install node exporter, ultimately we cannot able to get data. Again, I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll ask how much of time it will take for node exporter. See now, how much of time it required to install and configure node exporter. See guys, my intention is to show you how to automate everything in real time. Scripts and everything I'll explain in the upcoming session. So there is nothing to worry. What is username and password for Grafana? So it's going to be admin Thomas. Both are admin only. See, for node exporter, it is taking 10 to 30 minutes again. But for our class. No need to go for 10 to 30 minutes, sir. I can install within only 1 second. Node exporter. So if you can go and check out here. So ChatGPT taking 10 to 30 minutes again, but for me, I'll take only 1 second. If you can go and see here, ChatGPT 10 to 30 minutes here, I will go for my script. You can see node exporter. I'll simply copy it. And I'll simply go to my script here, vim node exporter.sh. Sorry, it's caps on there, node exporter.sh. And let me run this node exporter. See, within 1 second, node exporter is installed. Node exporter is running. So now if you can go and check out here, okay, node exporter port number is gonna be 9100. I don't know if you don't know the port numbers, I'll give the port number notes for you. My node exporter is there. Now in the Grafana, you can see the data here. Sir, am I able to see data or not, sir, here now? System load is 96.8, CPU BC. Load is 23.0, RAM is 52.5, and root file system is 35.8, and it is running from past 15 minutes. You can able to see whatever the data you want. So this is the way how exactly you are going to work in real time, sir. So once if you go to real time, companies are expecting you to, first of all, you need to understand how to install the basic softwares only. They won't ask you to write the code for Kubernetes deployment. They won't ask you to write the code for Terraform deployment. They won't never ever going to ask. First of all, this kind of architecture you need to understand in the real time point of view. Now tell me, totally we have discussed about 4 tools: Tomcat, Prometheus, Grafana, and Node Exporter. So if we compare this core with ChatGPT, now which scripts are working very efficiently? Our scripts are ChatGPT scripts. Can anybody tell me? Which one is working efficiently, sir? Our scripts or ChatGPT? Yes. So definitely human writable scripts are more efficient and reliable than ChatGPT. So the reason I'm conducting this workshop, lot of people are going to have that fear, sir, with the ChatGPT engagement in this world. Are we going to lose our jobs? Means definitely you are not going to lose your job, guys. Why? Because humans are more efficient and reliable than AI. If you ask me. But because without we, how AI is going to come into the market, sir. So don't worry, AI is not at all going to take your job away. Okay, but when you are having good skills. But tell me one thing, if AI is taking lot of time, but you are taking very less time. Now companies are going to choose you or AI, sir. Tell me all of you. What companies are going to choose? You or AI? Definitely companies are going to choose us only. They are not going to go for AI itself. Okay, that's it. So now Tomcat done, Prometheus done, Grafana done, Node Exporter done. Now tell me which one you want me to teach next. Here we are having some bulk of next thing here. So in the index, next one we are having Amazon application. Okay, I'm going to deploy the web application for you now. So I'm going to call it as Nginx. You can take it as. So generally to install Nginx, ChatGPT will take 10 to 15 minutes actually, but from our script we can do within 5 seconds. Just go and check out now. I'm having my script here. Port number of node exporter. Guys, here you can see port number of node exporter is 9100. Okay. So every port number I have given here, each and every DevOps tool is going to have a separate port number. All the port numbers and path is there, so there is nothing to worry. Okay. So now in front of you lively, I am going to deploy the Amazon application. Again, for this one, I have the script. Simply, I'll copy the script here. Guys, again and again, I'm telling this script writing is not at all possible to explain in the workshop. Why? Because we are going to use 10 scripts in the workshop. But in the live classes, tomorrow in the Monday, we are having live class. That is free demo for all of you. There, if you come, I'll teach you how to create server and how to write your own scripts. Okay. But please don't worry about the scripts as of now. VM. So I'm deploying the Amazon application, amazon.sh, and I'll run this script now. So now trust me, it will take mostly 5 to 10 seconds only. Just go and check it out. So if you can go and see, it's running. That's it, sir. Application got installed. Now simply what you can do, you can go and you can give the public IP address into the browser, and you can able to get the application. Only public IP is required. It is the Amazon application what I deployed, and it is a real Amazon application. If you compare my application with real working Amazon application, both are same to same or not, sir? I'll give the IP address for all of in the chat box. Can all of you verify whether you are able to access the application or not? Sir, what type of scripts you are using? Krishna, I'm using bash scripts. Okay, bash. All of you, can you able to confirm, like can you able to check out whether you are able to use the Amazon application from my IP address or not, sir? Yes, there you go. So now here what's our score? ChatGPT will take 10 to 15 minutes, but will take 5 seconds only. Now if I go to score, our script score is 5 and ChatGPT score is 0 itself. Okay. So before I go for the next script working, so can you tell me all of you is accessing the Tomcat, Prometheus, Grafana and Amazon application. Are these 4 scripts clear for all of you? If it is clear, we can go for the next one. Nexus and Jenkins we can go, sir. All of you I want response from everyone in the class. Online. So definitely, okay, great. Okay, great. So SKK, like I'm not sure about your name. While installing any tool or some of the tools, we need to go to OPT. That is not mandatory. Okay, OPT is for third-party tool only. So, but without OPT also, you can go and install tools in the normal folder. I hope it is clear. And Venkat says, sir, I'm doing non-IT, can I switch? Definitely you can switch, Venkat. So there is nothing to worry. I'm gonna guide you how to switch actually. Okay. Sir, is this third demo lecture? No, it's a workshop actually, Amol. So it is not a demo. So demo is going to start from Monday itself. And Nagarjuna scripts are very powerful and speedy. Definitely. See, there are a lot of other scripts also. What exactly we are going to explore. This is just a basic. And we would like to know how we gonna write script. Can you please explain? Definitely, Venkatramana. To explain the script and to write the script, first of all, you need to be very, very comfortable with the Linux. Okay. Once I start teaching Linux, I'm gonna teach you how to write any script. But trust me, writing the scripts are gonna be very, very easy, guys. Why? Because I have a special method to teach the scripting. If you follow my method, you can write any script easily. You are seeing in front of the screen only, right? How exactly I am using the script. In the same way, you are going to write the scripts as how exactly I wrote. Shubham, for Docker script is not required, Shubham. Why? Because Docker we can install within normal command only. So there is nothing to work in the Docker. Fine. So next we are going to install Nexus and Jenkins. Remember, if I want to work with Nexus, T2 micro is not going to helpful for me. I'm using T2 micro. I need to go for T2 medium. Why? Because Nexus requires 2 CPUs minimum. So I'm going for Nexus server here. SonarQube also there. I'll teach you SonarQube also. Don't worry. What is Nexus? Nexus is an artifactory tool. For example, if you generate a WAR file from the code or zip file, that WAR file or zip file we are going to store in the Nexus itself. It's a tool to store the complete package of the code. And I'll select my key pair here. Security group, I'm going to take it off. And minimum I want 30 GB of EBS volume for it. So the moment once if I launch, I'll open my Nexus script for you. And don't worry guys, if you are not comfortable with how to create these servers, Monday I'm going to conduct a free demo for all of you. Okay. So there, if you comments it, I'll clearly teach you how to create the server itself. Okay. So nothing to worry. Here, this workshop main motto is I want to show you how to work efficiently in the real time. Okay, I want to show you how human scripts are very, very effective. Then compare with ChatGPT scripts. That is only our intention. Okay. Don't worry about the script, how to write the script. As of now, I'm not explaining you, but in the class, I'm going to explain you how to write the script. Okay, I'll be going to my Nexus script here. Nexus MN. Sir, generally, you know how much of time it will take for Nexus? Let's ask our chat GPT, okay? So the reason I'm comparing with chat GPT is I want to show you how reliable our scripts when compared with AI, okay? Nexus. How much of time it required to install and configure Nexus? Check it out. Sir, ChatGPT is taking 15 to 45 minutes for Nexus. See, 15 to 45 minutes. It's very huge time. But I don't have that much of patience. I can do within 15 seconds. Just check it out. I'm telling Nexus, it is telling 15 to 45 minutes. It is telling, sir. Okay, but I'm gonna take within only 15 seconds. Just go and check it out. If I run sh nexus.sh, that's it. Automatically Nexus is going to install here now. Check it out. That's it. Your Nexus is done. Now simply what you can do, you can check out here. It is active and running. So it will take exactly 15 seconds. Now what you can do, simply copy your public IP address. Remember, it's a new server. Previous server is not having two CPUs. So I took a new server to show you how Nexus is going to work for you. Okay. And the port number of Nexus is gonna be 8081. By chance, if you don't know any port number, you can go here. Sir, can anybody tell me what is the port number of Nexus? Any one of you? What is the port number of Nexus, sir? It is 8081. Now, simply what you're gonna do, go to your browser and give 8081, hit enter. That's it. You are able to get the Nexus in front of your screen. Now I'm giving the public IP address for all of you. Please take the public IP address and let me know whether you are able to access Nexus or not. So username is admin and password also I'm going to give for you. I'll give the password. Give me 1 second. If you copy and paste this here, you are going to get the password, sir. So it is a password. So check it out online whether you are able to access the Nexus from that above password or not. Username is admin. Password is I have given one string for you. Copy paste the string. You can see Nexus is there in front of your screen. Nexus is there now. So this is how exactly Nexus is going to work for you. So now from our class point of view, today, what are the tools we have seen? We have completed Tomcat, Prometheus, Grafana, Amazon application deployment, Nexus also. Is this recording available on YouTube? Definitely it's going to available on YouTube. So I am going to give the score of our script now. So again, ChatGPT score is still 0 and our script score is 6. Now tell me one thing, sir. Are our scripts very crazy or not, sir? When compared with ChatGPT, how much of time we are saving? Tell me, is our scripts what exactly we are using? Are these crazy or not? Super crazy. Correct. Correct, all. Yeah, literally we can save some hours and hours and hours of time in the real-time point of view if you are using these scripts. Okay. So this much of time we are going to save in real time, sir. And there are other two things are pending. One is Jenkins, second one is Terraform, and last one is Terraformer. Okay. So I am going for Jenkins here. Okay. So let's go and check out how much of time is going to be taken by Jenkins to install, and let's compare this one with our script. We'll go install and configure Jenkins. In the meanwhile, I'll open my beautiful script here that is for Jenkins. Click on this one, copy the script here and go to Jenkins. VIM Jenkins.sh. So I'm using sh Jenkins.sh, but before that, let's check it out how much of time is taken by ChatGPT. Sir, ChatGPT is taking again 15 to 45 minutes above. It's very, very, very too much. So for Jenkins, it is taking 15 to 45 minutes, but I can take 60 seconds. Of course, this Jenkins will take 1 minute of time to install. So I'm just going here and running this script. See now, within 1 second, how Jenkins is going to run. I mean, it's not 1 second, sorry, it's 1 minute. Tom, like your 4 GB of RAM is enough. Okay, so no need to worry about your laptop RAM. I'm talking about server RAM, na? So nothing to worry. So you can see my Jenkins is ready to go. Now simply if you can see here, it took exactly 1 minute of time, and in front of your screen, you are able to see Jenkins is running. Check it out online, all of you. See, it is running now. Now, how can I access? Simply go here. Again, copy the public IP address. This time, the port number of Jenkins is going to be 8080. Hit enter now. You can see Jenkins is able to log in, and to get the password, here is the password in front of your screen, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. And I'm going to install plugins. That's it, sir. Your Jenkins is ready. I will give the URL for all of you. Try to access the Jenkins dashboard. Okay, I'm giving URL. Just give me a moment. I'll copy the URL for all of you. And if you go to the chat box, guys, in the chat box, I have given that link for everybody. So please access the Jenkins from that above link and let me know whether you are able to access the Jenkins or not. All of you tell me. So Raja, no need to worry. We are going to provide YouTube link. Okay, I'm going to provide my LinkedIn link as well as Telegram link for you. So there you can join. You are going to get the direct YouTube link. Online, can you confirm me whether you are able to get the Jenkins or not, sir? Everybody. There is no username and password. Directly you can give the IP address and URL. That's it. So Luma, password is not required. Just to use the IP address what exactly I have given. Click on that link. It will open directly. That's it. So this is the last tool. So now if you compare our scoreboard with ChatGPT, so our score is 7, but still ChatGPT is 0. So this is how exactly you are going to work with the scripting actual. Of course, even though if you ask credential, no need to give credential, guys. Just to see whether you are able to see the Jenkins page or not. That's it. So what are the tools we discussed? First of all, we discussed how to set up Tomcat, ChatGPT, 15 minutes to 30 minutes, but our script, 1 second. Prometheus, we done within 5 seconds. Grafana, 20 seconds. Exporter, 1 second. Nginx, 5 seconds. Nexus, 15 seconds. And finally, Jenkins, 60 seconds. If you compare all these tools, whenever we ChatGPT, human writable scripts are very, very efficient and accurate. If you see the title of our workshop, what is the title of the workshop, sir? Install any DevOps tools in seconds. That is the workshop title. What is the description there? Efficient and reliable, then AI. Now tell me one thing. Whatever the title we put for our workshop here, is title correctly apt for our performance in the class or not, sir? Can you tell me? Is the title perfect apt for our workshop or not, sir? All of you online, you can respond me in chat box. Yes, I'm giving and I'm seeing all the message from the chat box is yes only. So this is how exactly your real-time work is going to be. Guys, trust me, real-time work is very, 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 very easy. But when it is easy, remember, when it is easy, if you are having strong fundamentals, and if you are having very good automation skills, and if you are having very good logical thinking, okay, very good logical thinking, then doing the real-time work in DevOps is going to be very easy. You might attend lot of workshops till the date, or you might go for lot of DevOps demos till the date. Okay. Now tell me one thing: has anyone given this kind of clarity in the day one of demo itself for you? That how to install scripts in the class itself, sir? Nobody will teach the script execution day one. Why? Because it is very difficult actually. But my intention is I want to give that clarity for each and every student that you are going to learn the subject in a very best way from me. That's it. That's it. So now it is time for our doubts and queries, guys. So the people who is having doubts and queries, you can raise your hand. I'll give unmute option for you. But before we go for doubts and queries, first of all, how's the class for all of you today? Can you confirm in chat box? Everybody, how you felt about the class? Okay. It's great. It's very nice. Awesome. Okay. Fire, quick, helpful, rappa. Okay, fine. Okay. Now I'm gonna tell you the what is the meaning of rappa. See, rappa stand for RA, stand for Raham sir. Okay. P stand for power off. And A stand for automation. So the title of our workshop is nothing but Raham's power of automation. So if you combine this one, it's going to be rappa only. So this is how exactly I made my scripts. Trust me, whatever the scripts that I made, literally almost all 1600 people in the real time, those are using the scripts, sir. If you can go and see, there is a section called fourth section actually. 1604 are there. That means 1600. Almost all 44 people are using my scripts in the real-time point of view. If you go to any other training institutes, nobody is going to provide this script for you, but definitely I'm going to provide this script for you in our course itself. That's it. So Monday, I'm going to take a demo class for all of you guys. By chance, if you don't know that data actually. So Monday, I'm going to take the demo for all of you. There, I'm going to tell you how to create a server. So timing is going to be morning 10 to 10:30 to 12 p.m. Okay, so demo is completely free of cost. Okay, so there I'm going to tell you how to get a good job in DevOps and how to crack the interviews and how to get a good knowledge in the DevOps by using automation and everything. So tomorrow, don't miss a session. We are going to give the link for you in the chat box. Okay. Yes, Monday only, Prashant. So meeting ID and everything is going to provide by admin Akhil. Sorry, not Akhil. Pradeep, can you please ping the meeting ID there in the chat box? And one more thing, for if you are having any queries or any doubts over your DevOps career or anything, I'm available in the LinkedIn. So I'm going to give the LinkedIn ID for all of you. So you can connect over me on the LinkedIn. Okay. So this LinkedIn ID I'm giving for all of you. You can just click on that LinkedIn ID. Directly my LinkedIn profile is going to open for you and you can send a connection request me over there. Okay. I'll be available in the LinkedIn for you. That's it. YouTube link is going to provide soon. Give me a second. We are going to provide the YouTube link and all everything for you. So guys, I'm going to provide the community link for all of you. Please join in this community link. Whatever the YouTube recording that you are expecting, I'm going to share here. Okay. So check out the chat box, guys. I have given the community link for you. Please check out, all of you. So there you are going to get everything. So I recommend everyone to connect over LinkedIn as well as in the community channel. Okay. So now it's time for our queries. The people who are having any queries, you can raise your hand. So I'll give the unmute option for you so we can interact with each other. So my demos and class are, it's not like one way. I want two-way communication. Whatever doubts you are having, you are always having the option to raise your hand. You can raise your hand. I can give unmute option for you. First of all, Sai Prasad, you can go ahead now. Hello, Sai.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, Sai. You can speak now.
Actually, I've joined late course. This actually what you will going to discuss about this course.
No, here it's just a workshop size. So here I have shown what is the power of automation. Okay, we have taken some examples from ChatGPT and we are comparing the automation power of ChatGPT with our scripts. Okay.
Okay. In the
So
real
tomorrow
world,
demo is
you
going to start. So I haven't gone for any technical part. Tomorrow there is a demo actually. So there we are going to start the new batch. If you attend for the demo, you will be getting the clarity. The demo link is given to the chat box side.
okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
You will be starting the course for after the demo. We have course, right?
Yes. So from tomorrow it's going to be having demo. Okay.
Okay. From where you will start the from any topic from only
From
automation
server.
or
From
basics of
server.
DevOps also. Will you cover basics of DevOps also?
Not basic. See, our course is gonna be multi-cloud with DevOps. Here in our course, I'll tell you what are the topics we're gonna discuss. By chance, if you don't know this one, I'll explain for you. Give me a moment, please.
Yeah.
So our course is gonna be DevOps with multi-cloud. Here you are going to learn complete DevOps, AWS, Azure, Linux, security, AI, and FinOps. So this is the things what exactly you are going to learn from my course. Okay. Sanket, GCP, we are not going to cover GCP. Why? Because like AWS and Azure is enough to get the job. Okay. Yeah, hi Siddharth. So still online, if you are having any queries, please go ahead. Siddharth, we have sent Google Classroom invitation for everybody. Please check your spam mails, okay? So still any questions or any queries? Still any questions? Okay, Venkatesh, I'm giving unmute option for you. Go ahead, Venkatesh.
The actually the session is nice, and you in my I was working as an I give some brief introduction about me. When I was working as a SRE is for the healthcare unit, so I saw them some good easy installation of all the tools here. So, but we can learn this course after that. But how can we project in our resume with this all the experience and other tools with this?
Definitely. So basically, I'm going to take a resume building session, Venkatesh. So in that resume building section, I'm going to divide it into three parts. Part number one, I'll explain resume building for experienced people. Part number two for year gaps, and part number three for fresher. So there, I'm going to guide you how to put your current project into DevOps, as well as I'll tell you how to put these automation scripts in your resume to get the good attention. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Yeah. So please
So
attend for Monday demo. So they will be getting a lot of clarity actually. Okay. How exactly I'm going to start and what I'm going to teach. So you'll get the end-to-end clarity, Venkatesh.
got it, got it. Yeah. Even these, Prometheus and Grafana dashboard, those will be covered in that.
Yeah, definitely. I'm going to cover Prometheus, Grafana, Splunk,
Okay.
and CloudWatch, and even Azure Dashboard, and even Datadog also. So 5 monitoring tools we are going to cover in the DevOps. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I had good hands-on on the Dynatrace and Splunk in my current project.
Then that's going to be
But
an
no.
advantage for you. Yeah, definitely.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Rama.
Thanks a lot. So still online. Any questions or any queries from your end? Okay, Siddhant, I'll ask Akhil to contact you back. Okay. Online, if you are having any queries, feel free to raise your hand. I'll give unmute option for everybody who ever asking any queries. Okay. Online, any questions or any queries from your end? Okay, so I hope so the session was very clear for all of you. So if you don't have any doubts or any queries, we can wrap session for today and let's start on Monday demo. So guys, this demo link has been given to the community link. So please join that community link. You are going to get the YouTube recording video as well as demo link for next upcoming batch. Thank you all of you. Have a great day, great weekend. Bye everyone.